Lozano, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
Thank you, Judge. On April 7th, 2025, in Harris County, Texas, the law enforcement officer paced a vehicle going 50 miles an hour in a 35-mile-an-hour zone and initiated a traffic stop. The defendant passed several safe locations below before finally doing so. The law enforcement officer made contact with the defendant and noticed red, watery, bloodshot eyes, slurred speech, and the odor of an alcoholic beverage. As Santa's sobriety tests were conducted, the officer observed 6 out of 6 clues in the HGN, 4 to 8 on the walk and turn, and 3 to 4 on the one-leg stand. The law enforcement officer also observed poor balance and the odor of an alcoholic beverage from the defense person once out of the vehicle. The defendant refused to consent to a specimen, and a blood warrant was obtained and executed.
Okay, any prior DWIs?
No, Your Honor. And the driver's license is eligible.
Okay, Mr. Lozano, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with the case. I'm ordering you now as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, unprescribed controlled medication. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're using, it's not going to go well for you. Do you understand? Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer?
Yes, sir. I have an attorney.
Oh, you have a lawyer now?
Yes, sir.
Nobody's attached, Judge.
Trey, you got anything? Are you, who did you hire?
Mr. Santana, Israel.
Israel?
Yes.
Okay, do you know if he's going to be here today?
Not off the top of my head. He's supposed to be here, Your Honor.
Okay, so let's do this. Oh, we don't have pretrial here. Oh,
Judge, I sent an email requesting one.
okay. So what we're going to do is I'm going to have you sign a reset with Victoria. We're going to have you take a seat while we get pretrial services here. If you do have a lawyer that comes on and signs on your case, I will waive your appearance so you don't have to waste your time coming to court, but you must stay in touch with the lawyer. If the lawyer tells you they can't get a hold of you because you're playing games, you've gone AWOL, if you pick up a new case, if you become a danger to my city, it will not go well for you. No more PR bonds. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's have you sign. We'll have you take your seat and we'll be back with you momentarily. All right, good morning, Mr. Price. Sir, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. First offense, it's elevated to a Class A misdemeanor because of the high blow. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir. Okay.
Thank you, Judge. On April 7th, 2025, in Harris County, Texas, an officer was dispatched to a crash and observed a motor vehicle with damage that had struck a barricade. The officer observed the defendant to be the driver and sole occupant of the vehicle. The defendant was identified by his Louisiana driver's license, and the officer observed the odor of an alcoholic beverage, watery, bloodshot eyes, slurred speech, and a disoriented demeanor from the defendant. The officer also observed